Hi guys, this is Pietro from tradingkitchen.com, and today I will show you this very interesting pattern on USD Israeli shekel. After a strong movement to the down, as you can see here, price finally gives us this very interesting impulse, okay, which probably is the beginning of the uptrend, just confirmed from the higher lows and higher highs here. And if you see, here we have also an interesting pattern that I usually, which is one of the most frequently pattern I use on my strategy, which is impulse up and channel up. This is a channel. Okay. Here we also have we also draw Elliott wave 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually we have to wait 0.5 to go short, okay, from here. But as I told you before, we are on a bullish environment, so going short here will be too risky. So we have only to wait for long, to looking for long operation. Here we also have a very good area, which is a supply a supply area, where probably price will react in the future to here probably we can go short, but until price reach this area, we have to looking for long position. And a very interesting setup, candlestick pattern we have on 4-hour time frame. Here in this two candles, let me show you, we can draw a very interesting structure. If you see, the blue candle has a higher high and a lower low, more or less of the previous one, but first of all, higher high and lower low of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably 6 following candles. Okay, so this is a very, very good signals that identify a structure. So what we have to wait is price to first, if you want, break the channel, okay, and then retest this structure, and then here we can go long, okay, until this area. So let me draw the long position. Stop loss will be just a few pips below the structure area, and nice TP is 3.25. We can also set risk reward 3, which is very, very, very good. Just few pips below this kind of structure, but it is very important to wait for the price to break this structure, go up, okay, and then retest the structure itself. Don't go long just on the breakout. This will be very, very, very important. Okay, so if you follow my strategy, you will be able to identify the right filters and triggers like this one to enter correctly the market and avoid fake signals. Okay, so I really hope you like this video, and I would like to know what do you think about this analysis. So please use the comment section below this video to give me your point of view. Okay, see you in the next analysis. Thank you.